Good morning, students. Today I will explain you chapter 10 and class 7 chapter 10. Chapter name is respiration. Students, first of all you should know respiration. What is respiration? Respiration क्या है? Oxidation of food in living cell is called oxidation. This oxidation is called respiration. Means respiration is type of oxidation. तो फूड का ऑक्सीडेशन जब सेल के अंदर होता है तो उसी को हम रेस्पिरेशन कहते हैं. और ये रेस्पिरेशन सेल के बाहर भी हो सकता है, सेल के बाहर अंदर भी हो सकता है. अगर हम माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म लेंगे तो उनके बॉडी से एंजाइम निकल करके जो फूड होता है वो बाहर होता है. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो होते हैं फूड में डूबे होते हैं और डूबे हुए फूड में वो अपनी बॉडी से एंजाइम सिक्रेट करके बाहर निकालते हैं. फिर वो बाहर जो फूड होता है टूटता है और टूट कर उनको एनर्जी देता है. तो ये सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन इसको बोलते हैं जब सेल के अंदर होता है. आपकी बुक में है सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन. जब सेल के अंदर रेस्पिरेशन होता है तो उसे हम सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन कहते हैं. अब आता है टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन, एनारोबिक एंड एरोबिक. एनारोबिक एंड एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन occurs with the help of oxygen या in presence of oxygen. The respiration which occurs in presence of oxygen, that is called anaerobic respiration. Okay children, the respiration which occurs in presence of oxygen, that is called aerobic respiration. Understood? Product of aerobic respiration is product carbon dioxide, water and energy. What breaks? Glucose and means glucose is broken in presence of oxygen. Glucose is broken in presence of oxygen and form carbon dioxide and water and energy released. This process it is also called this is also called aerobic respiration. Okay children, this is aerobic respiration. In this diagram you see this is lime water. Here is there are three jars. Understood? Means in this experiment it is shown that carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. Carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. Okay? And experiment name is to show aerobic respiration by living organisms. To show aerobic respiration by living organisms. Here there is kept potassium hydroxide. It absorbs CO2 which is enters into this jar and which is present in the air here. And after passing water it is put into this, and from here this is supplying oxygen, and after supplying oxygen CO2 will be produced and CO2 will enter into lime water. when CO2 will enter into lime water, this lime water will be converted into milky water. And it proves that oxygen is necessary for respiration and CO2 is produced, and when CO2 is produced in lime water it becomes milky. This experiment show. Okay children. So this is experiment how can you show aerobic respiration, means here oxygen is supplying, from oxygen used by the these you can put here germinating grams पी मटर चना, कोई भी जर्मिनेटिव रख सकते हैं यहाँ, फिर यहाँ CO2 प्रोड्यूस होगा, यहाँ आ जाएगा. दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. नेक्स्ट anaerobic respiration. Thank you children. In next video I will show and I will teach you anaerobic respiration. May God bless you. If any problem, ask me.